name is E. Hari. I am 4th standard. Alias my Bharti. My school name is Bharti Vidyalaya Nursery and Primary School Yadapadi. My father name is Sandar Segar. My sister name is Subhasni. Look at this picture. What is this? It's a home. What is this? It's a door. What is this? It's a door too. This room has 2 doors. Are there 5 doors in this room? No, there aren't. There are only 2 doors. What is this? It's a window. What is this? It's a window too. How many windows has this room? It has 4. Are there 5 windows in this room? No, there aren't. There are only 4 doors. Are there 10 balls in this box? Yes, there are. Are there 20 balls in this box? No, there aren't. There are only 10 balls. Are there 5 notes on this table? No, there aren't. There are only 4 notes.